Training Yard Online. Training Yard Online.
Today's workout is going to be so much fun. Today's workout's 2 rounds, and it starts off with 20 deadlifts. Today's weight is a moderate load, 185, 125. You'll complete 20 deadlifts, then you'll move to the pull-up bar where you'll complete 20 toes to bar. Once you finish 20 toes to bar, you're gonna move back to the barbell. We're gonna complete 20 front squats. These front squats will be taken from the ground. Once you finish those 20 front squats, we're gonna move back to the pull-up bar. We're gonna complete another set of 20 toes to bar. Once you finish that, that's going to conclude the round, and you'll go ahead and do it one more time. Now, as we're talking about these deadlifts, you should be able to complete this in 1 to 2 sets, but ideally, if you've chosen the right weight, you can knock it out in 1. Might make things a little bit spicier, but you can absolutely do that. When we talk about toes to bar today, we're gonna go ahead, we can do 20 full toes to bar. We're gonna scale it down to 10 full toes to bar. We can also go to some hanging armpit raises. That means we're gonna take our knees and raise them to our armpits. We're gonna also have an option to do hanging knee raises, where our knees are gonna go higher than our belly button. Or if we absolutely need to, we can go ahead and alternate our legs, counting each leg raise as a rep. And we're gonna go ahead and complete 20 of those. Once you finish that, you can go ahead and go back to that barbell where we have the front squats. When you go ahead and do this, you can go ahead and power clean and go into a front squat, or you can squat clean your very first rep of that front squat, okay? When you go back to the toes to bar, whatever you did in that first set of toes to bar, I'd like you to scale the same in the second set. I'm gonna keep it nice and consistent and hopefully move fairly quickly throughout. Now this workout is meant to be a sprint, so I want you not to hold back. I want you to try to hold onto the barbell for longer, and I want you to go ahead and do, manageable sets on the toes to bar. Sticking to sets of 5 to 10, dropping, and taking only about 10 to 15 seconds of rest before you hop back up. We're gonna really try to go ahead and keep our eye on the clock when we're not doing anything, really trying to eliminate the time that we're wasting just standing there. Again, this workout is meant for you to move, so I want you to go ahead and really try to dig in, be brave, and get after it.